Surveys tell us Americans like change, and 2020 was a year of intense change due mainly to COVID-19. But it seems like election-wise, it was the kind of change that many Americans didn't have in mind, weakening election safeguards in one of the most pivotal elections in history. Now, states like Georgia have passed election fixes, which pretty much turn the election clock back to where it was before COVID, to the way it was done for, the past 65 years or so. And maybe that's where our elections need to go now.